Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Barz Talk and Barz Beatz. Yeah man, Can't you know again, you know? Well, you what now? Freedom Street concert over. And you know when it's over, we are doing forensic audit. Yes, because I already do my review already. And I do my summary as how the Freedom Street impacted the country. Now I deal with now the forensic auditing and what the benefits of it. And my business suit me now, you know. That's not a joke thing, you know. We are dealing with the business part, right? So, needless to say, I'm gonna explain to you. I give you 15 benefits from Freedom Street of the country, right? Because me say my review of the entire thing's done already. And I tell you, I guarantee you, you'll never find another review like it. See? So, when we're going out, we're talking about now. So the Freedom Street was held the 31st of December 2024. It was put on by Dancehall Entertainment, which is owned by Joe McDonovich, promoted by Scatter Burrell, and it was in celebration of the freedom of Vybz Kartel, who did 13 years, some other months and a couple other days, for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. So it was free, and this is his concert, and hence it's called Freedom Street. Yes, yeah man. So as a result of that now, a lot of people, you know, do them review and talk about how the concert was nice, including me, but a lot of people fail to understand the economical impact that it has on the country. Yes, straight. It breaks some serious records, and a lot of people no see it. And what I want to understand is that people will learn from it. The country as a whole needs to learn from it. The government as a whole also needs to learn from it, capitalize on it, create some avenue so that things like this can replicate itself. And as a result, that's why I'm showing you the benefits of it so that you can see. So, as I said, I'm doing 15 benefits. Remember, there are many more, but may I give you the top 15 of them. Okay? So, the first of the 15 is it increased tourism revenue. Yes! So, because of the concert, you know, so you have people coming in from overseas. Some are coming for the first time, some are revisiting because they want to come catch the concert. So, because they come in, yeah, it had increased the revenue, and as a result, it increased the foreign exchange, boost the economy. Yes, no joke. Number 2 on the list, is that the hotel, it boosts the hotel lodging system. Now, a lot of the hotels were understand or overbooked, and we had several major events happening in Jamaica, where like Cricket World Cup, the Gibson Relay, Boys and Girls Champ, Sting, Sumfest, Walk of Freedom with Bujo, all of those did it. This one did it tenfold. So it boosts a lot of the hotels in the industry, right? Now, the local business get a serious amount of boosting of it. Serious amount of boosting. Because you what now? You see the man them on the street, yeah, they make a food. The local things them, the taxis, all of those chain, the cottage industry, so we call it in a principle of business. They make a food. No matter how you take it, they make a food. The taxi man, the robot man, them, everything in the local industry make a food. Because if the event are going in the country, the local man have to eat a food. So it boosts up that. So a lot of boosting take place out of it. So number 4, job creation. What you think about that? A lot of jobs were created by just this event going on, you know. Whether it be long-term job or short-term jobs. More likely it's short-term jobs. But job creation, government show that enough of them in their manifesto next time and say, yes, as a result of this year, a whole heap of jobs were created. No fight got created out of the Freedom Street thing. Because you know, say, the event, a lot of job it put on for man will go fix the stage, and yes, a lot of jobs out of it. So you see what I talk about? And I for me there so far, you know. I'm gonna must can understand what I talk about. Business we are dealing with, you know. Yeah, straight. And here I know. You see the airline thing? It increased airline. As one partner here say all along at the airport, the airway jam up. The plane have to wait like a taxi then there. Airplane have to wait down the jam up. So what? As much as it causes chaos, a good chaos. Because I increased revenues in terms of the flight to Jamaica. So you see what I talk about now? Una pre it. Alright. So that's a number 5. A 5 me there. Now you see sponsorship deal now. A whole heap of sponsorship deal come out of that. Because a lot of sponsors come on board And as a result, money that again, happy money me I talk about it now. So when you now look upon it, as me said, about just the event, a whole heap of things take place in the background in order to make it work. And a lot of it have to do with money. And not just word of mouth. Oh, you're the best thing since sliced bread, and you're the best thing since Mother Teresa and Pope John Paul. No, a cash talk and bullshit walk. So a pure cash we are talking about, right? So the sponsorship come on board willingly because they realize they can make back their money. Now the sale of the ticket that grow. So the sale of the tickets are what are the benefits. A lot of tickets got sold. And even though I give away some money for tickets, but that a chump chain. So that's a number 7 in the list. Yes. Now number 8, where we are talking about straight, is the culture. It exposes we never want to use the word expose, but it highlights the culture. Because even though people come for the concert, you know, say they want to know what going on Jamaica. The newcomers, the first time comers, them the returning residents, them come, they want to see what going on the culture. They want to know downtown Kingston stay. They want to go see which part Tivoli, because one of the most famous places that in a Kingston, you know, Tivoli. Yes, so people want to know what going on with it. They want to know the rice and peas taste. They want to know the jerk chicken, the jerk pork, all the roast breadfruit. Ching? Yes, so the culture got highlighted. So many things. Well, the next one now, the tax revenue. Yes, the government get a nice food out of it because even though you have money to spend, people are buying, people are sell, the government have to take for them cut out of it. So them hunk a good amount of tax out of it. Yes, and that's a number 9. A 9 with it now. So we still have more to go. Number 10 you know, the infrastructure improvement. Now, you see, because that event they are going to go on, and they know so whole heap of people are going to come in, they have to improve the infrastructure. They might not do it good, or they might not do it adequately enough to accommodate who come in and so on, but it had to be done. So the infrastructure got improved. 11, we're going to 11 now. So, and as a result of that now, the branding of Jamaica, it becomes more long term. Because the brand Jamaica, it's carried on by maybe about 5 persons, or 5 between entities and people. So number 1 of the branding of Jamaica is basically Bob Marley. So you have Bob Marley, you have Usain Bolt, reggae boys, reggae music, dancehall music, sunshine, so many things. But this now adds to it some more. So the branding of Jamaica get more exposure out of this. Number 12, the local talent, they get exposed out of it. So even though Kartel have his major people in come on stage, and so you have some 1 or 2 local talent, when they really get the real highlight out of their talent, they get a little bit of push. And even though they got a little push now by just the concert bringing so many people, you know you're gonna have like some people who want to know where else they are Jamaica. We see Vybz Kartel that one I best, and you see Popcorn come up and you see Ray come up. Well, they want some new talent now, because they know say even though they get the new talent, they don't have to spend as much for them because they're new. So the local talent now get a little bit more exposure after the spin-off of the concert. You see what I'm talking about? Number 13. Yeah man, so done. The local food, they get consumed a lot. Because as me say, when the people them come down here, if you come enjoy the thing, they might go stay at one hotel, they might go stay at one cheap place, they might go stay at one of their auntie and their uncle. Because if returning residents coming up, local food and so, get them up, because they want to know the jerk chicken taste. So jerk chicken I go get some eat out of it, some fried dumpling, some banana, all of them things there. I go increase the consumption. You see Matt, what I talk about though? I know joke thing I talk about, you know. Yes. Number 40, the revenue from streaming and broadcasting rights turn up. And it still ties back down in the tax thing. Because as you realize, when the event are going, you know, you have to pay if you watch it. If you want, if you're not there. Some people steal a little view, and even when you steal a little view, if you do it wrong, they might go strike you. But the local, the revenue from the streaming, the broadcast rights and everything there, money out of it. You see me? Yes. Number 50, the legacy what is put on for the prospect of investment. So a man or an investor might say, whoa, a whole heap of money come out of a concert, you know. So rather than having Sting, Sumfest, some other events, You might have a couple more because a man say, yo, him can make back his money if he put it in the event. So it increase the potential of more or bigger investment. So as me say, I know joke thing why this thing go on, a big thing. Yeah man. And I still have to put in one honorary one. An honorary one half to go in there. The vloggers them, you know can't hide it now, no if you talk, talk it out. The vloggers them get more content sake of this thing. No joke. Even me, by me just talking about, me get 1 and 2 extra subscribers. We don't make sure no subscribe though, you know. Yeah, but me get 1 and 2 more subscribers, me get 1 and 2 more views because of talking about it, because of the hype surrounding it. So the vloggers them, you don't need to come and talk. Give thanks to the thing. You know, can't just go on it and talk about oh this no good and this no good and so. At least you know have some topics, you know have some contents to talk about, and Freedom Street create that avenue for everybody. It's a big size of cake. For who hate it, for who love it, for who not have a view upon it, at least you know have a topic to talk about. I want to give thanks for all of that. So me I give my thanks, right and true. You understand me? Yeah man. Big up yourself, Freedom Street. So people, all in all, is don't just look at the event itself. Look at the impact that it created for the country, you know, as a people. What we learn from it, what we can expound on. Don't just take it and find the bad and the good without looking about the in-between. And there is a lot of potential arise from it. And we don't need to tear it down, whether I ever build it, but all we need to do is learn. All in all, we get 15 benefits from it, or 15 advantages. But one disappointment is I disappointment that. I really and truly feel disappointed. May have to put it down at the last, and I hope something like that don't reoccur, because it brings so many people, it brings Jamaica so much on the forefront, and it was going so well, and we say it could have been done better. We don't want to talk about it too much, but we don't want it to repeat itself. It was too good to be true, and we have to show the world that we know how to behave, we know how to angle ourselves. We know when we vex about something, we can say A rather than say B, because B not so offensive as much as A, but we have a choice of saying it. We don't need to say only A because only A we know. Yeah, we just want to know we can resolve issues without it have to draw for violence. It have to draw for threat, it have to draw for fist thrown, knife drawn, gun drawn, bullets. We can deal with it, man. So, me want to know what you think about it again. Hey, bartender.
Yes?
Yeah, man. Put a shot on this, sir. Straight vibes. Give me fever.
That done.
What? That done?
Yes.
Give me ramping shop.
It done.
That done too?
Yes.
Want you unstoppable, that?
It done. Then sell fast.
Oh, you fit done all that rum?
It done, you deaf?
Then I yesterday when I come. She said it done, brother. She said it done. And she looked drunk. You know, if you say she drink coffee whole life. And this alone, me have left it up. You know, big up on yourselves here, sir. Out of here. Have that.